Don't be an idiot, Donnie. It's just another Tuesday. Another Tuesday of you killing a fucking person.
No, please, I know I messed up, but can we just
You
go
took
somewhere?
everything from me. I fucking loved you.
I'm sorry.
I would have done anything for you.
I know.
But I can't.
It's not gonna work.
What?
It's called Matira Roja. Red magic. Where we go? By the way, I hope she packed your bags. Because you're going on a trip.
You know, I mean, it's not your standard action film. It has some elements that I wouldn't say get political or religious, but they blend kind of everyone's perception of that and then sort of flip it on their heads, right?
Yeah,
and so
kinda makes you think.
Yeah, and that's the goal with, I think also, like, that's what I liked what you were saying is, like, there's that element with neo-noir is like the uncovering the truth aspect.
Yeah.
Where what is the truth and do the characters have to go through? Are they going to risk their own moral?